Hello everyone. Dear students, in today's video we are going to cover part 3rd of chapter 7 titled as Tea from Assam, and it is written by Arup Kumar Datta. So let's discuss something about the author first. Born on July 2nd, 1946 at Johat, Assam, in eastern India, Arup Kumar Datta did his major and masters in English literature from Delhi University. He returned to Johat to teach English at JB College for several years before taking up writing as a full time career. Datta made a permanent place in the hearts of children with his very first book, Kaziranga Trail, in 1978, after which there was no looking back. The book not only won prestigious awards but was also translated into many languages, both Indian and foreign, including Japanese, German, Russian, etc. Kaziranga Trail was followed by other award winning books The Blind, Witness, Mac, Revenge, The Lore of Jangrila, which won a national award for many and many others. Introduction of the chapter. The lesson is about two friends, Pranjol and Rajveer, who are traveling to Pranjol's hometown Assam for the summer vacation. Assam is known as the tea country. It has the largest concentration of plantation in the world. During their journey, they discuss about the various legends that are known to have discovered tea. The story tells us about the popularity of tea as a beverage. Main events of the lesson, and this is a tea garden. You can see this kind of scenario or this kind of sceneries we can very easily get in Assam. So we will try to comprehend the chapter with the help of the summary. So let's start. The story revolves around the infamous beverage tea, telling us more about its history and discovery. It begins from the scene where two friends, Pranjol and Rajveer, are set to go to Assam, Pranjol's hometown, when a tea vendor asks them if they would like to have some freshly made tea. They buy 2 cups, joining almost every other person in their compartment. From there, the journey begins and Pranjol starts reading his detective book while Rajveer decides to enjoy the scenic beauty. There were soft green paddy fields followed by tea bushes. Rajveer is very excited on seeing such large plantations of tea, but Pranjol is unable to match the same level because he was born and brought up in Assam, famously known as the tea country. Visiting there for the first time, Rajveer did a lot of study about how tea was discovered and that it dates back to 2700 BC. According to what he read, it was first consumed in China and reached Europe in the 16th century, where it was mostly popular for its medicinal properties. There are numerous stories as to how it was discovered, one about a Chinese emperor and the other about a Buddhist monk. The former liked the taste of it, while the latter used it to get rid of sleep. So these are the legends. Chinese emperor always boiled water before drinking it. One day, a few leaves of branches burning under the pot fell into the water. It gave a delicious flavor. These were tea leaves. So this way it was discovered. Indian legend. According to Indian legend, Bodhidharma, a Buddhist monk, cut off his eyelids because he felt sleepy during meditations. Actually, Bodhidharma was doing meditation, but suddenly he felt sleepy. So, in order to avoid his sleep, he cut off his eyelids. Tea 10 tea plants grew out of his eyelids. These leaves, when put in hot water and drunk, banished sleep. So, with the help of these leaves, he was able to banish his sleep. As they were having this discussion, they reached their destination where Pranjol's parents had come to receive them and take them to their tea garden. On their way, they passed a cattle bridge and gave way to a truck filled with tea leaves, which drew their attention to the fact that it was the second sprouting season. Rajveer indeed did a lot of study before coming, which impressed Pranjol's father, and he intended to learn a lot more. So, this is a text of the chapter. I hope, and another character is also in this chapter, Mr. Brona. And Rajveer and Pranjols, they both had a discussion with Mr. Brona also. And I hope this video will help you to comprehend the chapter in a better way. So, thank you so much.